Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this really simple Christmas star decoration just out of some scrap wood. So I started off by doing a quick sketch of the star, and for this project I'm going to be using the base of a chair, so a scrap piece of wood. And just to make it easier to explain how I'm going to draw the star, it's all written for you on the screen in the first half of the video. So I then went over the lines with a dark biro just to make it much easier to see, so that when I go in with the jigsaw it will be easier to cut out the shape. So then I just took my time with the jigsaw and cut the shape out. So then at the top of the star I took a saw and just nipped off the end, and that's because I want a flat surface to be able to drill a pilot hole in for a metal ring so that I can hang the star. So then I went over the star with 100 grit sandpaper and just went around all these sharp edges and smoothed them off. Then I used a PVA sealer to seal the wood, and this would just help it to just give it a bit of strength and a bit of extra rigidity. I then started off with a base coat of very pale yellow. When that was dry, I then added the main yellow colour, and I gave it about 2 or 3 coats. So to finish off the star, I mixed together some gold and silver glitter glue, and again added about 3 coats of this. Once each coat had dried, just built up the layers of glitter. And that was the star complete. So all I had to do now was to hang it. So that's about it for this video. If you liked the video, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching. A very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next time.